Wow, here comes Emmett. Wow! Oh my gosh. Oh, they changed.
BBN Adventures.
Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here. We are at park number 37, Franklin School Park.
37, yay!
That means we got how many left?
Are there any questions?
You guys got any questions for us? Camden wants to know.
Comment down below if you have any
I have a
questions.
question. I have a question.
Yes.
You in the back?
Yeah, I went to this Splashpad before, but
That's not a
does
question.
anyone have a question?
That's a statement. Yes, what's your question?
Does anyone have a question? What part is going to come up next?
Ooh, that's a good question. What park do you think is going to be next?
I know. 38.
Ooh,
And
he's
you're
right.
not supposed
He's
to
right.
tell them.
Ding, ding, ding. He won. He wins.
And you're not supposed to tell them.
Okay, this is a little bit of a splash pad. It's Franklin
School Park.
School Park. Park number 37. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yes. I don't know what that was in the back.
Here we go.
Go.
Woo!
Wow! Oh my gosh. Oh, they changed. You got me wet. Yeah. Whoa. Whoop.
A splashy splash. It is cold. It's hot out. It was just windy too. Whoa, look at that wind blowing the... What do you think, Cam? Everything is awesome. Ah, whoa! Storms are brewing. Storms are brewing. Alright, what do you got, buddy?
A lot.
What's it say? Be happy. Whoa, alright. And you're gonna hide it? What happens if somebody finds the route?
Tell them when you find it.
Alright, let's go hide it.
I found the one.
Alright, let's go find it. Peter, put it on. Come on. Wait for me. Walk right here. Over here. Walk over here. Let's walk through this thing. What is this? Whoa, that's pretty cool, huh? Whoa. Alright, we are all done at Franklin School Park. Okay, you got your anchor. Cameron got a little bit of an injury on his arm here today. You gonna show the camera, Camden?
No.
Let's see.
No. Do you see it, guys?
Yeah, a little slip and fall.
Camden, what was your favorite part?
Like nothing because I guess I fell down.
That's true. Oh, honey. Okay.
Was it fun before you fell down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Emmett, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was everything, but not the parts. I got hurt.
Not when Camden got hurt, because you love your brother, right?
Yeah, but not. I got hurt too.
Oh, yeah, you got a little shiner too. Let's see. To the camera. All right, Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The fountain. It was cool. And the fact that it used to be a school. And they kept parts of the school. That's cool.
Yeah, I like the fact that they kept part of the school, the little archways or entrance. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it's part of the building. I like that. That's pretty cool. This is one of the newest parks.
Yeah, 2015, 2016, something like that.
So it's...
It was 37.
Yeah.
And what the camera.
All right, so thank you so much for joining us. Comment down below and let us know what your favorite part of this video was, or this park. Not too much going on, but just comment down below. Say something nice. Say hi.
Yeah.
We love to hear from you.
And shout out to all the people we've run into in the parks that are now hopefully fans.
Shout out to the Frankie Park Rock Finder, the McMillan Fairy Door Finders, and all the other people that have found and commented so far. Thank you.
Don't forget to... Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on our next video.
Ding!
Yay! Hit the bell. Oh, the school closed and then they tore it down because it was an old building, and sometimes old buildings start to fall down, so they're dangerous. So they got to tear them down so that they don't collapse on when
hey,
kids.
This is a cool spot for a fountain.
Kids are roaming.
Splashpad. Splashpad.
Hopefully somebody got in there and got a video around Indiana. What?
But I have another question.
Yeah, shout out around Indiana. Hope
Did
you
you
made
get
it
a
to Franklin
video
School
of this
Park.
one before they tore it down? Probably back in the 80s. Wait.
I have a question.
Thank you so much. We will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Fun to go at BBN.
All right.
BBN Adventures.
Rudeness if I'm tripping over your time, but you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in
Yeah, check the wind. Adjust. Don't distract us.
we can be so much
Ooh.